Today we are going to discuss statistics section D. It is a 4 mark sum. In statistics section D, 4 mark sum. The median of the following data is given 525. Median of the data is equal to 525. Find the values of x and y if the total frequency is 100. Total frequency is 100. We need to find the value of x and y, and median value also given. 0 to 100, 2, 100 to 20, 200, 5, 200 to 300 x, 300 to 400, 400 to 500 17, 500 to 620, 600 to 700 y, 700 to 800 9, 800 to 900 7, 900 to 1000 4. So now we need to find the value of x and y. So in exam what you will do is, this is a question, so you need to copy down the same tabular column and you need to write the third one is a cumulative frequency. Third one is a CF. It is called cumulative frequency. Third one is a cumulative frequency. Third column is a cumulative frequency. So now 0 to 100, 2. Because of the space concern, I am doing in the question itself. But exam what you have to do is class interval, frequency and cumulative frequency. Copy down all the values. Then you write the CF. CF means cumulative frequency. CF means up to 100 logic. 2. Then up to 200. 2 plus 5. It is 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. Then x plus 7. X plus 7. Then x plus 19. Then this x is already there. 19 plus 17. 36. Now x plus 36 plus 20, 56. Now x plus y plus 56. X plus y plus 56. Now x plus y plus 56 plus 9, it is 65. Then x plus y plus 65 plus 7 is equal to 72. X plus y plus 72 plus 4, 76. 72 plus 4, 76. So now this final cumulative frequency, that will give you the total number of frequencies. Total frequency is 100, no? This value is equal to 100. Keep in your mind all the time, this value is equal to 100. So now let us write the median formula. Let us write the given things, or let us write the median formula, then we will write. Median is equal to, so remember the median formula, L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So L equal to lower limit of the median class. But you see median value, it is 525, it is given. Median value, it is 525, it is given. So 525, it will fall in this interval, no? 500 to 600, no? 525 means. Now this is the F, frequency of the median class. This is the frequency of the median class. Then CF. Then CF. CF, it is a cumulative frequency preceding the median class. Cumulative frequency preceding the median class. This is the CF. That CF already in formula, if you see that in playlist, all the formulae in that playlist, you can find all the chapters formula. In that you can check it out. Statistics formula, CF, it is cumulative frequency preceding the median class. I have already mentioned over there. Then F. Then height. Height is equal to class size, that is upper limit minus lower limit. So H is equal to upper limit minus lower limit. This is the upper limit minus lower limit. So you see all are uniform, no? This 500, all are 100, 100, no? So H is equal to 100. That is the height of the uniform class. So L equal to lower limit of the median class. L is equal to 500. L equal to lower limit of the median class. So L equal to 500. Then n by 2. Total number n is equal to n equal to 100, no? Total number n equal to 100. N by 2 equal to 50. N by 2 equal to 50. Then CF. that is x plus 36. Then frequency of the median class, f is equal to 20. Then CF written, LH everything is written. So on median, the given things, median is equal to 525. Median equal to 525. So now median 525 is equal to L equal to 500 plus n by 2, that is 50, minus CF x plus 36 by f. F means frequency, that is 20, into height. Height is 100. Class size, that is called height. Height is 100. Now this will bring it to this side. That means 525 minus 500. 525 minus 500 is equal to, you can simplify this one time, this is 5 times. So now you see 50 minus x and minus 36. 50 minus x minus 36. -50 x minus 36, which is equal to 50 minus x, it is 14, minus x, this is 25. This is 25. Now 25 minus 14, 25 minus 14, 25 minus 14 is x equal to minus 15 is equal to minus x and minus 36, and 5 is there. See, 5 is there, into 5. Now 50 minus 36 is 14, that times 5 is outside. See, like this. Now, so what we do is, this 5 will bring it to this side. 5 will bring it to this side. (25 by 5 is equal to 14 minus x. 14 minus x. This one time, 5 times. So now x you bring it this side, 5 you bring it to that side. X is equal to 14 minus 5, which is equal to 9. X equal to 9. We need to find the value of y. So that we have one expression here. We have an equation here. X plus y plus 76 is equal to 100. X value we know 9 plus y, which is equal to 100 minus 76. So 100 minus 76 is 24. That is 9 plus y. Y is equal to 24 minus 9, which is equal to 15. Y equal to 15. So therefore, we'll take and write the final answer. X equal to 9, y equal to 15. X equal to 9, y equal to 15. It's a repeated sum. Thank you.